Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain the chamfer command in LusoCAD. Chamfer is used to turn sharp corners into slanted edges, using inclined lines. It can also extend lines to create a corner point. In this example we have three shapes, which will be used to showcase different chamfer cases. We can activate the chamfer command by typing CHA in the command line or by clicking the icon in the Modify ribbon. When we activate the command, we will be asked for the first and second line. We can see that once we select both lines, they will be extended to create a sharp corner between them, a meeting point. We can also type D to activate the distance subcommand, allowing us to decide the distance of the slanted line that will unite both selected lines. Let's see how this looks like. By typing 100, we set the size of the horizontal line that was just created. Now, let's try the polyline subcommand, which will allow us to chamfer this rectangle's corners. Type P to activate the subcommand. Since we already set the distance to 100, lines with a value of 100 will be applied to each corner of the rectangle, creating the chamfer. Another useful subcommand is trim, which we can access by typing T. Trim allows us to enable or disable the trim function of the chamfer command. If we take the rectangle as an example, disabling trim means that the original 90-degree corners will remain after the chamfer was applied. Now, if we want to change the angle of the chamfer, or the slanted line, we can type A to activate the angle subcommand. We will have to set the chamfer length and angle for the first line. We will use 45 for this example. But if we set an angle of 80, in turn, the chamfer looks like this, since the angle has to be accounted for. This will be all for the chamfer command for now. Keep watching to learn more commands and tools in LusoCAD.